Alright guys, got a treat for you tonight. We're going to try out this Crossfire CFA15HC. That's not really the interesting thing about this test. We're going to have a multicam setup here and show you a piece of software that's only available on iOS devices that makes me happy that I use iOS and not Android. So you guys can hate all you want, but show me an app like this on Android. Stay tuned. Something really cool coming your way. What's up guys? Big D Wiz, oldschoolstereo.com. I have got a treat for you guys today. I've actually got a new way that I'm going to show you how I do dyno test. So check this out. Switching to the dyno, switching to the clamp meter, and switching back. That's right, 3 cameras, my friends, with 1 app on the iOS devices. This is really slick. There's also some more things I can do like this. So say I want to show you, I don't know, check this out. So I can show you the dyno and I can show you the clamp meter. Isn't that the coolest thing you've ever seen? Pretty much so. I'll agree. But anyway, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you guys a real quick test of this Crossfire CFA15HC, just as a test of this multicam setup here, just see how it works. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so here you can see a little behind the scenes. You can see the way I've got it set up. This is temporary. I've got some new adapters that are coming in so I can actually mount my iOS devices on clamps so they're not, on tripods all in my way. But you can see here we got this one on the dyno, we have this one on the clamp, and then the iPad here that I'm holding is the one that is doing the main video. Probably switch this around once I get a mount because this is my 6S Plus. This is the one that has the best camera, so I won't be using that for capturing the dyno results. I'll be using probably the iPad for that and using something else for the other one. But anyway, let's see if I can configure all this stuff and get it working right for you. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch to the dyno, and then I'm going to, let's see how the picture-in-picture looks with me here. Alright, my bad. Did it backwards. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do this, the Crossfire CFA15HC 2 ohm test. It's in the high powered mode and it's rated to do 370 watts, I believe. So let's see what it does. Again, you can see the dyno and the clamp at the same time, so you can see how much current it's pulling when it's pulling. See the wattage counting up. 453 watts, 13.75 volts, and we hit 66.1 amps. So pretty cool. But I know you guys want to see a little more, so reset it here, zeroed out, set it to max. Big shout out to Mike Schultz for letting me borrow his clamp, which is fast enough to do these measurements. And let's go back. Let's try a 1 ohm test. You don't hear any noise right now because I actually have the power supply off and I'm just using the caps. So let's go ahead and start it up and start up the track. Let's check out the wattage. Let's see what we can get. $512 watts, and look at how much current it pulled. 101 amps. It's got a 50 amp fuse. So here, let me show you. Again, this is the ability of this awesome app here. Check this out. Isn't that so cool? 50 amp fuse right there. Check that out, my friends. 4 gauge inputs for power and ground for a 15 watt per channel amp. This is a super ultra cheater, and I'm just having too much fun here, so I'm gonna try something else. We don't care about the clamp for this one, so I'm actually going to take the clamp out of it, and we're just going to do the dyno. We'll go back. Now let's do the dynamic test. We'll go to, I don't know, let's try 1 ohm. Start dyno. Check that out. 624 watts, 25, 13.4 volts. Sick. Sick, my friends. Incredible. Again, here it is. Crossfire CFA15HC. So anyway, there we have the quick test here of the Crossfire CFA15HC. Sorry I've been babbling so much. As you can see, 625 watts at 1 ohm mono, 13.4 volts. Kicking for a 15 watt per channel amp. This is Big D Wiz. OldSchoolStereo.com. Until next time, kicking the production up a few notches. I'm out of here.